Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, you like all the content we are producing, you can join us on YouTube by heading to our channel and hitting the subscribe button. Additionally, you can follow Akash and I individually at Mangyeko for Akash and myself at Just Analysis One. SafeMoon. So we pick a lot. I've picked on things like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu a lot. And for some reason, I've totally given a pass to the pamp and damp that SafeMoon is. I mean, it's had a pretty crazy spike up and then an equally crazy spike down. And I have a hard time giving any guidance to myself on it because it just doesn't look very healthy all around. So the other thing that's silly about this is that, this Optima is a professional analyst software, and it doesn't allow for decimals beyond 6. So in order to see the decimalization beyond what's here, I have to draw the, a fib retracement and then separate it into tenths so I know where it's at. I mean, that's just when I see an instrument like this and the software doesn't do it, I'm thinking, is the instrument really that horrible, or is the software that limited? I'm going to go with the instrument is probably that horrible. It's just really stuck. Anyways, it's stuck at this $3 or 3 value, and it's overwhelmingly bearish, but it's overextended on the downside, and very simply put, upside potential is likely limited to the Kijun Sen at 48 to 49. Sorry, 38 to 39. My bad. Or even higher towards 4 even, where the a weekly Tenkan Sen and the daily Senko Span B is at. Downside pressure should be very limited as well. I really don't see a ton of downside potential here unless it were to move down to the 2021 volume point of control. That would be at 26 to 25. But other than that, I really don't see a whole heck of a lot happening on SafeMoon. I mean, it's probably going to consolidate for a little while longer before it makes a major move, but we'll see. That's what I see on SafeMoon. Just not a lot to talk about for me on this one, I guess.
Yeah, it is that kind of coin. So I think SafeMoon kind of goes into bull runs on any upswing that it sees, like at least so far, so this particular run up, right, was a 1,468% upswing, and the correction that it saw from that is like a full-blown bear market style correction. Like it saw an 90% downswing, almost complete reversal. And this is what you see on Bitcoin that happens over. Oh my God. Please hold while this loads. Yeah.
That has been an issue, that page.
It didn't happen before. I don't know what's happening, but
I've noticed it since Sunday that it's been kind of touchy.
Yeah, it's been happening to me over the past week as well.
Well, it's good to know that is a constant, because we are literally on opposite sides of the globe.
Yeah. Right. So, yeah. So I was just saying, right? Any upswing that it sees is usually, at least so far, it's seen a correction that is almost similar to a bear market that you see on Bitcoin, and so the last time we discussed this, I was expecting, like, I didn't expect it to go lower than this. If it does, then I think it would be a scam because it would go down to 0. But kind of reverse. But I also kind of hoped that it would form like a slow rounded bottom sort of pattern, and it kind of held up until this point here at 0.50615. But since then it's been correcting, and it's dropped roughly 52% so far, and it's going a mini bull run, a bull cycle kind of experience right now, and I expect something similar to happen again. So let me just get this, not this. Right, so what I'm expecting is again something similar, a rounded bottom thing to play out here, but I'm kind of hesitant on this particular scenario because of the bearish outlook on Bitcoin, and unlike Shiba or like Mana, which are really the hype or the popular thing right now, which kind of tends to defy the complete the market structure. SafeMoon isn't that sort of asset, so it tends to follow the overall market structure. So if Bitcoin does head down to 51K, 50,000 level, then I'm expecting it to come down here to 109, form a double bottom of sorts, and then go higher. So let me just mark that. Right, so yeah, so the first case scenario is I'm expecting it to continue going higher, but if this fails, Bitcoin heads down to 51K and like a violent crash, then I'm expecting it to form a double bottom and then give the upswing another try. That's about it. That's what I have for SafeMoon. I'm not even sure what's going to happen if we lose this, because there's no price data here. It's kind of hard to predict. Yeah, that's my take on SafeMoon.
All right. Well, thank you, Akash, and thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.